Benefits of olive oil and lemon juice first thing in the morning. Olive oil and lemon. How to use them to get the most benefits. Combining olive oil and lemon juice may have exponential health benefits, according to science. Lemon juice and olive oil are ingredients that appear in many of our favorite dishes. But did you know that the two, when paired, have tremendous health benefits? Olive oil and lemon juice aren't something we necessarily snack on, but they can easily be incorporated into meals. They're flavorful as well, especially when you can get your hands on a quality olive oil and fresh lemon juice. What's more is that they can be used together or separately, and they each have their own benefits. Let's talk about olive oil when used on its own. It's packed with polyphenols. Just a teaspoon of olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, provides an abundance of polyphenols, which are natural bioactive compounds whose antioxidant properties promote wellness. This is good news for those experiencing age-related bone loss. Why? Because according to recent research, polyphenols in olive oil help support bone health by helping to keep oxidative stress in check. It promotes heart health. Did you know that cardiovascular disease is the #1 cause of premature death worldwide? It's a sad but true statistic. The World Health Organization, WHO, estimates that the deadly disease claims an estimated 17.9 million lives each year. Interestingly, populations residing in Mediterranean regions have low rates of mortality from heart disease. While this is likely due to a combination of factors, their high consumption of EVOO is thought to play a role. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading culprits behind a number of diseases, such as cancer, arthritis, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. EVOO is proven to help keep inflammation in check, thanks largely to its antioxidants, specifically oleocanthal. The oleic acid in EVOO is also known to help reduce levels of inflammation. What about the benefits of lemon juice? The humble lemon may make your mouth pucker, but just a spoonful of its juice has numerous health benefits. Lemon's nutrition lies in its vitamins. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, lemons are packed with vitamin C, B, and others, as well as magnesium, thiamine, flavonoids, and potassium. Lemons are also loaded with antioxidants, so they help fight free radicals that contribute to the development of cancer cells. All of these powerful nutrients combine to offer you many health benefits, just like olive oil does. And there is more good news. Foods packed with vitamins and antioxidants may work to strengthen your immune system. This part of you works to battle colds and flu, so the stronger and tougher your immune system is, the better. One study found that vitamin C helps combat colds by reducing the time they spend in your body. And one more thing. Lemons help you process food. Your body works hard to break down and digest all the different foods you enjoy. A lemon's nutritional profile includes carbs, fiber, and soluble sugar, so it promotes gut health by slowing your digestion. That, in turn, frees your digestive tract somewhat, so it gradually stabilizes blood sugar levels. It supports healthy skin. Lemon juice's high vitamin C and vitamin E content makes it especially beneficial for the skin. Its powerful antioxidants help support collagen production, which is what gives skin its bouncy, plump appearance. Lemons are also rich in magnesium, an important mineral that promotes healthy, supple skin and prevents damage from oxidative stress. How to use olive oil and lemon to get the most health benefits. There is no question that combining olive oil and lemon is a nutritional diet that scores high on every level. Ingesting a little olive oil and lemon, blended together, aids your digestion. And just to recap, olive oil and lemon fight inflammation, reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke, and taste fabulous. Now, let's begin looking at ways to use them together. Since both olive oil and lemons help rid you of bad free radicals, it's fair to say they work hard to cleanse your body. Drinking this blend each day may also help you lose weight. That's because vitamin C helps build something called carnitine. Carnitine transports fat to your cells and is then converted into energy. Research shows that folks who ingest less vitamin C than those who ingest it daily burn less fat. Another reason you should take olive oil and lemon blended together is that this mixture may help prevent kidney stones and gallstones from forming. It promotes proper digestion. The gentle laxative action of olive oil, along with lemon juice's ability to combat belly bloat and constipation, improves food digestion. Dietary experts agree that drinking a mixture of olive oil and lemon early each morning, before you ingest anything else, is the best way to ensure you get all the health benefits. Just a teaspoon does it, quickly swallow and boom. You're on your way to better health. Olive oil and lemon mixture for your body. It isn't just by ingesting the mixture of olive oil and lemon that you can improve your body. You can also strengthen your nails and hair, and make your complexion brighter and smoother with this mixture. Put the mixture into a small bowl and soak your fingertips for about 10 minutes. We suggest doing this just before bed. Following this routine regularly fixes ragged or damaged nails, strengthens the nail beds, and softens the cuticles. Skin and hair also benefit from regular treatments of olive oil and lemon. They are both packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, as we've explained, both of which are great for your tresses and your complexion.